Open revolt in Congress over DCC President's list in Kerala. The news in detail. The disquiet among leaders and workers who pledged allegiance to A and I groups of the State Congress on Sunday came out in the open a day after the announcement of new district committee presidents. The selection of 14 presidents of the District Congress Committee in Kerala have created a rift in the party, with its senior leaders Oommen Chandy and Ramesh Chennithala saying no discussion was held with them prior to the selection. That no discussion took place was denied by the President of Kerala Pradesh Congress Committee and Member of Parliament K. Sudhakaran and the Leader of Opposition in the State Assembly V.D. Satheeshan. The list of the DCC chiefs was finalized after a discussion with all leaders, including Chandy and Chennithala, said Sudhakaran and Satheeshan, who termed as wrong that no talks were held. According to sources, the extent of dissent is deeper than what was on display, and there would be serious implications in the coming days. It is reliably learned that a few of the disgruntled leaders have begun negotiations with other parties, including LDF constituents, for giving a slap on the face of the new leadership. Leading the criticism, former Chief Minister Oommen Chandy and former opposition leader Ramesh Chennithala expressed dissent openly over the lack of consultation finalizing the names of DCC presidents. However, the new state leadership is determined to go ahead with the list of DCC presidents. Though Congress State President K. Sudhakaran and opposition leader V.D. Satheeshan didn't expect the public criticism by senior-most leader Chandy that there was no proper consultant about the list, they were prepared to answer the criticism with what is claimed to be the facts. There is widespread feeling that the new list is an attempt to force a change in the party leadership, meaning the domination of veterans Oommen Chandy and Ramesh Chennithala. Chandy's grievance was that his name was unnecessarily dragged into the controversy and that the state leadership had not honored their promise to hold a last round of talks before the draft list was submitted to the High Command on August 15th. Sudhakaran told reporters in New Delhi that he was not happy over Chandy's comment. There were lots of workers working tirelessly for the party, and the decision on DCC chiefs was taken to bring them to the fore and end groupism, he said. The KPCC president further said Chandy and Chennithala had orally communicated to him on nominations for the post of DCC presidents who were selected from the panel approved by the two senior leaders. On the temporary suspension of former MLA K. Shivadathan Nair and ex-KPCC General Secretary K.P. Anil Kumar for publicly expressing displeasure at the selection of the DCC chiefs, Sudhakaran said no show cause notice was required to be issued to them as there was no doubt on what they had said. Anil Kumar, speaking to reporters, had said he was given no notice before being suspended and that he would complain to the AICC on the suspension. Earlier in the day, Chennithala told reporters that he accepts the list issued by the AICC and the party workers should agree with the list. Shivadathan Nair and Anil Kumar showed lack of discipline and made public statements through the media on the reconstitution of DCC, Sudhakaran said in a statement on Saturday. Both the leaders had criticized the state leadership over the selection of DCC chiefs. On Saturday, the AICC published the list of 14 DCCs and apparently disgruntled leaders made remarks in the electronic media. News Desk, Karma News.